an open collaboration by Claire's Crafty Corner, and the link to the playlist will be in the description below. Hello everybody, I am doing a jar mould and makeup tray today. This is the nice glitter I found in our local range. Really cheap for the amount you get. And I made this pigment using titanium, I think, dioxide and Part B. Brilliant white. Don't know what the alcohol ink Marabou does, but I shoved it in anyway. I don't know if it made any difference. I have no idea what I'm supposed to be doing with it. Because like I said, I'm new, and every time I watch something, I forget what they've said, what they've done. It's ridiculous. Bit like my brain. I've already done my 1-to-1 resin. It's been on a heat mat in 2 separate containers to get rid of the bubbles. It's a really good resin for how cheap it is, and I enjoy using it. And it doesn't give me any reactions, because as you see, I don't wear gloves. And again, personal reason. I have 3 cups of colours and 1 glitter. So I think, I can't remember what is it, peachy colour? Something like that that's mixing right now. And then we've got a copper and a white. And I'm not really mixing this fast. I am going slowly. I've had to fast forward as usual. And I think I'm getting a bit better with this editing lark. I don't know about actually shooting the videos because, well, my Shrek hands keep getting in the way. And this is a really nice resin. You can see it's almost clear. There's micro bubbles. You can see the micro bubbles, but there's no massive bubbles in there. I can't even get my teeth in today. But this one, oh, I love this colour. It's beautiful. Nice. It's like a coffee with a hint of purple, but it's supposed to be copper. I wouldn't have said that's copper, but it is a really nice colour. Beautiful colour. And then mixing them all together makes a really nice effect. Definitely like a coffee cream with a twinkle. I mean, just look at that. It's so nice. And just leave it to one side to degas itself. That's good. It does help if you don't use it straight away. But obviously not leaving it too long either. I shouldn't have used this stick. This stick were just silly. Kept making a right mess. Or at least it felt like I was making a mess. And the nails, again, still a mess because I haven't done anything with them yet. I've got to give them a break from having stick-ons on. But this white is pure, brilliant white. It's really nice. And it just took a bit of mixing and splatting down, and I keep it in a tub for later. And here's my jar mould. And it's going to be, oh yeah, I'm using tape, the masking tape, cheapest chip stuff, just to get bits out. So I don't have anything stuck inside. I always have wipes on hand just in case I get any on me. Or it drips everywhere. But I'm going to put it in order. So I thought. Yeah, not order. Because I couldn't remember exactly which order I went in. So you'll see at some point my order changes. I'm menopausal and my brain is like, ugh, a mess. I can forget my own name if somebody asked me. And this, can you see how it looks on top? It just looks beautiful, where it's all mixing together. And the sparkle. I really did like it. Anyway, I'm going to leave you to watch this. So enjoy it. I'm going to put some music on and come back later. Bye. So this is where I start to smoosh it. And yes, I am using a skewer. I really should have used something a little less pointy. But it was the closest thing I'd got to hand, and those little sticks weren't long enough. So I'm putting it in different places, trying to make it an even space between each one. And then you'll notice I swish it round. I did that with the purpley coloured one in the background and it just didn't work. So I thought I'm going to try it again. Maybe it's me. And I think it's because I did too many swirls and scoops and just faffed too much with it. Because this one worked out perfectly. I'm just giving it a little squeeze just to make sure there's any more bubbles. Bubbles! I really need to get my teeth in. And the waste, what's left, I'm just going to use in this tray. This tray came with something else. Some wings. It's supposed to be like a memorial piece, but I thought I'm going to use this tray for all sorts. So I'm using all my colours up, mixing, trying to make a marble effect. And I thought, well, resin does what resin does. It'll do what it wants. So it don't matter what I do to it, it'll just make its own mind up. So I've, like I said, I've got all the colours and it wasn't quite enough. I had to do a little bit more. But anyway, I'll let you watch this bit. See me make a mess and get it everywhere and then have to wipe my hands. And enjoy this bit too. Thank you. looks absolutely stunning. It's got no holes. It's mixed lovely. It looks marbly. It's coffee cream goldy. Oh, it's beautiful. There is no bubbles at all. The only thing that's wrong with it, it just needs a little bit of a trim around the bottom. Just there. Maybe a little sand or use my deburring tool. It's absolutely beautiful. I love it. And the tray, I use my Cricut, whatever you call it, to get myself some vinyl lettering down. And these handles I'd already made a while back, and I thought I'm going to use them on this. So that's how it's going to look eventually, but I'm not sticking that jar on. And I'm putting a top coat on, and that'll hold my handles in. And it'll be really, really firm. I do think the tray is a little bit warped because I've used it twice now, and there's always something that both times there's been something at the bottom that's not quite level or doesn't look level. But the colours on this is absolutely stunning. It's like a stormy coffee. It's just, love it. And I'm not sure about the writing, whether I should have had it a darker colour or kept it white. I don't know. You'll have to let me know in the comments what you think and if the handles match. I mean, I know they're cream, but I've used white in my tray, in my jar. So I don't know. I think it looks nice together, but I keep looking at it and thinking, should I have? Anyway, thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, share, all that nice jazz. And I hope you really enjoy the pictures at the end of them finished. I do, for a change. So again, thank you very much. Bye-bye for now. Bye. Oh, and don't forget to look out for everybody else's videos and give them a watch. I'm sure they'll be fantastic.